Obayantor Two community Benin-Sapele Road was agog with celebration as Indigenes, residents, members of the neighboring communities, friends and well-wishers converged for the installation of Per Sunday Enogieru as Odionwere. The Odionwere of Obayantor Two, Per Sunday Enogieru, and some elders thanked God and the Oba of Benin, Enogieru II, for the successful installation ceremony.
Obayantor Two ke amedion e bodi oboyomi yeke ayi me ka we ka mi awni anda ho ni afi oboyomi yeke ma adole wona yi le wona ya ma tomu ba to pe
ogogo no kwa mani yo ba to me de na eri ma ge Enogieru II ona pase di ma imadomo Sunday Enogieru Odionwere Obayantor pe
mare do modowe yupo madoka ho yupo mane di oni ne ma ha we de bai Obayantor
The youths are ready to join hands with the Odionwere to make sure peace will be in this community.
Masquerades and cultural troops of various ethnic groups in Obayantor Two community displayed to entertain guests. Ikponmwosa Ugiagbe, ITV News.